This is my part of elevator. And this elevator, which is my brand favorite. It is water. And the water. This is place. Look at you, it is called. It's a little. Look, it's my just favorite. This always. This is about this all better. Lights. The scenes. And this spot. I did it. My OTIS is very good. And then look at this electricity. And this lantern. OTIS, very good. I love OTIS at the last. It's very nice. OTIS, I love OTIS. This is a very good extension in the mate and place and lanterns above real and this button and place and lights. It's very good. My elevator collection. I hope this elevator collection is very good and more lights. Very good. I hope this and that's my button, fixtures, lantern and spot. I hope this elevator has been in my button, real button. Yeah, look at this. And place. Do not use the elevator. And station of this electric. And more time, one lantern. The lantern is very good. This is our slides about off. Yeah, I love this elevators. Happy New Year for this in 2026. I hope that more collection in this elevator. Bye bye, sure. That's true. Full.